Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to find font in PhotoPea. Let's begin. Click the text tool, wait 5 seconds and click type text. OK. Double click, resize the text and add font. Double click again. See this regular black hand since. See this text font. Load font. You can download text font. Sorry. Load your or import your download text font and see this find presenting text font. Click here. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.